are going to check the different diagnostic adapters used for 2002 through 2005 year gear models. If you have a G-Scan Asian or full kit, you will find these two additional adapters for gear cars. As you can see, these two adapters are marked Type A and Type B. When you select gear and select any system, if the car needs any of these two adapters, you will see this instruction on the screen. Just check if Type A or Type B is needed, then choose the right one. The connector is to the diagnostic socket in the engine compartment. Then the communication is made. 2020 connector B. Select OK. Select DTC analysis. If you do not follow this instruction and use the wrong adapter, you will see the error message. 20 pin Type B. This connector is 20 pin Type A. Select DTC analysis. Error message is like this. GIT has recently changed the adapter colors of these adapters into black and red. So please do not be confused. Just read the adapter type marked on the adapter. Type A or Type B. Please check and use the right adapter for gear cars. Thank you for watching our movie. See you next time. Bye.